Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, I'm going to start filling in the sparse areas in my brows as well as shaping my eyebrows. If you look at Deepika Padukone's eyebrows, they're always filled in. And then I'm taking a concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige to clean up the borders of my eyebrows so it keeps it looking clean. And then I'm going to use it as a primer on my eyelids. To set this eye base so it doesn't crease, I'm using the Airspun loose powder. Moving on to the face, obviously she's a new bride and she was glowing, but she also had dewy makeup. So the focus will be on that dewy skin and dewy look. Using the Sunny Face Contour Cream, which is basically a very thick moisturizer, I'm going to moisturize my face so it smoothens the skin out. I'm also going to keep my lips feeling soft by applying a lip balm. For primer, I'm applying the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. This has a very sticky feel to it, so it helps to cling on to the foundation, which means the foundation will last longer because it's not going to move around. I'm going to be using this on my face and neck. To achieve the kind of glow that she has on her face, you need something to make your face shine. So you can either use an illuminator or a face oil. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get that glow with an illuminator. The one that I'm going to be using is the Sleek Illuminator in Monaco. It has a brilliant shine, so I'm going to be applying this directly on my skin, and then over that I'm going to apply the foundation. You can also mix this with the foundation, but this is my preferred way. It kind of looks crazy on its own, but we will soon fix this with the foundation. And the one that I'm using is the Smashbox Liquid Halo in number 5. Again, I love this foundation because it feels like silk and it gives that beautiful glow. Now, because I use studio lights to tape this, you can't tell much, but when you actually step out in the sun, it looks absolutely beautiful. Deepika doesn't have any contouring going on her face, but she has a naturally beautiful face structure, which I don't. So I'll be very lightly contouring my face using the Wet n Wild contour stick in Call Me Maple, but I'm going to keep it to the minimum so you cannot even tell at the end. But it'll definitely give you the dimension and a better facial structure. A crucial part of getting that beautiful glow on your face is to highlight your face. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, and I'm going to be using this on the high planes of my face. I always try to use a smaller blending sponge while blending underneath my eyes or in smaller corners, so it can fit into those corners and the blending looks a lot more seamless than using a larger sponge. Because I'm going for that dewy look, I'm not going to set the entire face with powder. That'll make it matte. Instead, I'm going to use the Airspun loose powder just underneath my eyes to set the concealer just so it doesn't crease. And I'm going to let the powder sit there for some time till I finish up my eye makeup. First, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator to highlight my brow bones. From the pictures, it was pretty clear that she had a shimmery shade on her lid, almost like an ivory shimmer. So I'm going to be using Obsessed from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to be applying it all over the lid using my finger. She also had a subtle brown at her crease, so I'm going to be using MFEO in my outer corner as well as the crease to create that depth. I'm going to highlight the inner corners using the So Hollywood Illuminator once again. I'm going to dust off all the excess powder and then I'm going to line my waterline using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. She definitely had kajal or some kind of an eyeliner or a pencil in her waterline. She had also lined her top lash line, so I'm going to be doing the same using the NYX matte eyeliner in black. She had extended the wing in the inner corner, so I'm going to be doing the same. To prep my lashes for falsies, I'm definitely going to be curling it and applying a coat of mascara. I'm using the Lash-O-Matic mascara from Wet n Wild. I'm not sure if she had falsies, it was really hard to tell from the pictures, but her lashes looked really nice. I didn't know if she had falsies or a really good mascara or if she had lash extensions, so I decided to use very natural looking falsies from Bayfolin. These are their foam ink lashes, so they're cruelty free. These lashes are really inexpensive, and on top of that I have a discount code as well in the description box below if you plan to buy it. And then I'm going to finish up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara in my lower lashes. Again, from her pictures, it was very hard to tell if she had a very light blush on or no. Sometimes it looked like she had, sometimes it looked like she didn't. So I'm going to be using a cream blush which adds to the illumination on my face. This is from Jordana. It has a very peach tone and it has a very silky, glowy finish which is fantastic, and it works perfectly for this kind of a look. For that subtle finish, I'm going to be applying it with a sponge by slowly pressing it in. And I'm definitely going to splurge on the illumination part because we want that glow on our face. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator on the high planes of my face, first using a brush, and then I'm going to slowly press it in with a sponge for that natural glow. You can also use your finger. On her lips, she had a very berry red, nothing very flashy. So I'm going with a lip liner today. This is the Easy Liner from Jordana in Plush Plum. I'm going to be lining and filling in my lips with the same lip pencil. And finally, to lock all my makeup in, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild setting spray. Now that we're done with the makeup, let's jump to the hair. Her hair was pretty simple. It's a very quick hairstyle. She had center parted her hair and had a sleek bun in the back. I'm going to center part my hair as well, and then I'm going to take all the hair and fix it behind my ear before I tie a tight ponytail in the back. And then I'm going to start twisting my hair and I'm going to start rolling it in a bun. And then I'm going to secure it with some bobby pins. To get that super smooth, sleek, shiny finish in front, I'm going to be using the Tresemme Smooth and Silky Shine Spray. This will also help me fix any baby hair or flyaways. You can also use a hairspray, and then you can use any hair oil if you like. It'll give you the same finish. And now for my most favorite part, the finishing touches. She had a beautiful Banarasi dupatta, so I'm going to be wearing the same. This is such a pretty silk Banarasi dupatta that I actually got here in the US itself. She also had a small red bindi, some beautiful jhumkas. And of course, this look is not complete without the sindoor. And here is the completed look. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button. This is one of those looks that I got so many requests from you guys to recreate. Looks like this is going to be one of her most popular looks. And she looked absolutely stunning with that sindoor, and as a new bride she was glowing. The whole look was absolutely fantastic. I think it's going to be one of her iconic looks. And nice thing about this look is you can use it for a party, you can use it as a wedding guest. It's not too harsh, but at the same time it's glamorous and it looks absolutely stunning. And of course, I truly enjoyed recreating it, and I've listed all the products for you guys, whatever I used today, in the description box below. I've also listed links to all my social media accounts, so if you're not following me yet, especially on Instagram, make sure you're following me there. I put little snippets of how I create costumes and jewelry for all my shoots, and a little about me and here and there in the Insta stories and stuff, so make sure you're following me there. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes bonus videos here and there during the week. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.